This tutorial will show you how to create a rim for your motorcycle. The first step after opening Autodesk Inventor will be to create a new sketch. To do this, you click on the New button up in the top left. When the window comes up, click on Standard IPT. The next step is to create a rectangle. With my design, I have chosen to do a 9 by 3 rectangle. Now that half of the profile of the rim is complete, I will select it and use the mirror tool to complete half of it completely. To do this, you select your profile that you would like to mirror and then select the mirror line. After that, you press apply and then done. Now all you have to do is trim the excess lines that you don't need. Now half your rim is complete. You can now move on to the next step, which is revolve. The next step in creating your rim is to revolve your profile. To do this, you simply click the revolve tool. When the window comes up, it pre-selects the profile that you have already drawn. What it asks you to do is select the axis of which you would like to revolve around. Once you've selected the axis, it lets you decide the amount that you would like to revolve it. Since this is a rim, you will be revolving it 360 degrees. When you are satisfied, you simply click OK, and now your rim is almost complete. The next portion of this video will show you how to create the spokes for your rim. To do this, you start a new sketch plane on the side of your rim. You can draw any shape that you would like to have your spokes shaped. For me, I will be drawing a lightning bolt. This fits in with the theme of my bike. Once you have your spoke drawn, you can then select it and use the circular pattern tool to create as many spokes as you would like. Now that you have the number of spokes you want on your wheel, the next step is to create the negative of which you would like to extrude to cut out of your rim. To do this, you can use the circle tool. The next step after this is you must trim out the area of which where your spokes join the inner circle. This will allow it to keep the spoke shape and subtract everything else. The next step in creating your rim is to subtract out the negative and leave the spokes. To do this, you exit the sketch of which you just completed drawing your spokes on. Now what you have to do is go up to the extrude tool, which opens up a window. The extrude tool allows you to do 3 different operations. You can join, cut, or intersect. For this, we would like to cut. Now what it would like you to do is select the profile of which you are cutting. You select the negative profile. Now it would like you to specify the distance of which you would like to extrude. Since it's a rim, you want to go all the way through your rim profile. Once you are satisfied, you click OK. What you're left with is your completed rim. This has been the tutorial on how to complete a rim in Autodesk Inventor.